Testing, 1, 2, 3. How you doing, YouTube? The Gaming Hero here, but better known as NFT Crypto God. Today we gonna do that video part 1, man. Everybody been asking for it, and I do want to share the wealth. I do want to share it, man. So we gonna get you started on how to start making money and investing. It's definitely real. I got racks in the bank. Well, racks in the bank and racks on my portfolio. I can show you that if you want, but I don't want to brag right now, but I want to get you started. So first, you want to get Coinbase application on your phone, or you can do it on a desktop. And also, you want to make an account on KuCoin. This is the most versatile crypto exchange that offers different coins, which is like stocks, to buy and sell and make money. It may look a little crazy at first, but don't worry. Once you get the hang of it, it gets easy, it gets simple. It's not that hard. Trust me. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Naka, Tailcoin, Matic, Polygon, everything is on here, and you're gonna make this money. I got proof right now. I got about 8 bands sitting ready, and the market down. So when the market go up, I'm trying to make like 30, 40 bands, you feel me? Really, if we really want to talk big, I'm trying to get to the million. But hey, I know people who got $1 million, like 2 million sitting. You can check his wallet, because guess what? The blockchain is open, it's public. That's the beauty of it, decentralization. So for now, you want to make a Coinbase account, you want to make a KuCoin account. Once you do that, comment below if you want part 2, which I will do it, but I just want to get a head count of who's interested and who's ready, because we're going to load up. I'm going to show you how to get money from your bank account to Coinbase, and then you send that over to KuCoin. Now, what I want to tell you is, if you really want to just go fast into it, you can load up money on KuCoin. Just put your debit card on there, but I recommend doing Coinbase too, because Coinbase is how you cash out to your bank when you make money. See, KuCoin is where you just buy the coin and buy the stock, buy and sell. But you can't cash out to your bank from KuCoin, but you can cash out from Coinbase. So you might as well make a Coinbase account now and get ready, because Coinbase, you have to have a long-standing account to cash out big amounts of money. So let's say you listen to what I'm telling you, invest into Nakamoto Games, put like $200-300 in. Come August, September, you got about $4,000-5,000. You can cash out on Coinbase, but if you a new account, if you make one like the same day, you can't cash out instantly. You gotta wait, to get verified and all that. So you might as well verify now. Coinbase and KuCoin. Now I got a few other options that you could do, which is like MetalPay, MetaMask wallet. But we're gonna get into that in the next video. For now, get Coinbase and KuCoin. And let me know in the comments. Hit the like button, subscribe. This is the NFT Crypto Guy, aka Gaming Hero, on the scene, showing you steps on how to create wealth. Yes, I want to share the wealth. It's coming. I want to make a legacy. I want to make a name for myself, and I want to help others. So if you're interested, hit the like button, subscribe, and put a comment down below.